I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up the grid on your iPhone camera. This simple feature is a game changer for improving your photo composition. The grid overlays your camera view with 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, creating 9 equal sections. This visual guide helps you align subjects and horizons, making it easier to apply photographic principles like the rule of thirds for more visually appealing shots. Let's get started with the setup. To begin, unlock your iPhone and locate the Settings application on your home screen. It's typically represented by a gear icon. Once you've opened Settings, scroll down through the various options until you find Camera. Tapping on Camera will take you to a dedicated menu where you can customize many aspects of your iPhone's photographic capabilities, including the grid feature we're looking for. It's a straightforward process. Within the Camera Settings menu, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Grid. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap this switch to activate the grid. When the switch turns green, you'll know the feature is enabled. Now, when you open your camera application to take a photo or record a video, you will see the helpful grid lines overlaid on your screen, ready to assist your composition. With the grid now active, you can immediately start using it to enhance your photography. Try placing your main subject along one of the grid lines or at one of the 4 intersection points for a more dynamic composition, following the rule of thirds. The horizontal lines are excellent for ensuring your horizons are perfectly level. This simple visual aid can significantly improve the balance and aesthetic appeal of your photos and videos, making them more engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.